Hello, classmates and tutor. I'm Stephanie Maya, and I'm going to talk about Italy. And to start, I want to talk about greetings in Italy. When you're introduced to an Italian, you should say good day, and I hope my pronunciation is okay, is buongiorno, and shake hands. A single point is a note. You can say hello, ciao, but this ciao is used among close friends and young people, but it isn't considered polite when addressing strangers unless they use it first. Another greet, greet, greeting is women may find that some men kiss their hand, although this is rare nowadays. But can you imagine that? It's wonderful. I think so. Okay, when being introduced to someone in a formal situation, it's common to say pleased to meet you, excuse me. Molto lieto, molto lieto. When saying goodbye, you should shake hands again. It's also customary to say good day or good evening, buonasera. Okay, and when you're gonna go out for some place, you say goodbye. You can say arrivederci. And when you're going to talk only with one person, you can say arrivederla. Okay. Now I'm when I divided my presentation in several parts. The first one is the family. Family is extremely important for the Italian people. Okay. Their family solidarity is focused on extended family rather than the West idea of the nuclear family or of just mom, dad, and kids. Okay, Italian have frequent family gatherings and enjoy spending time with those in their family. They love spend time in family. It's wonderful. I think it's so wonderful. And children are rated to remain close to their family upon adulthood and incorporate their future family into the larger network. I think this is a very good tradition, and we can say do the same. I think because I consider that here in Colombia we are losing our families. Okay, this other topic. I'm sorry. The second one is the religion. As we know, the major religion in Italy is Roman Catholicism. That this is not surprising as Vatican City located in the heart of Rome. Okay, Roman Catholics and other Christians make up 80% of the population. The other 20% we can find Muslim, agnostic, and atheist. Yes. The third one for me is the architecture. Okay, Italy has given rise to a number of architecture styles, including classical Roman Renaissance. Italy is home of some of the most famous structures in the world. The architecture is wonderful, including the Colosseum and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The other side, I don't remember in this moment. Okay, and the other important thing is the Italian food. Okay, Italian cuisine has influenced food culture around the world. Okay, and is viewed as a form of art of many. Okay, we can prove the wine, cheeses, the variety of cheeses, spaghetti, pasta, lasagna, fusilli. Personally, I love the Italian food. Is so delicious. Okay. the other important things that you can no, you can find in a lot of restaurants of Italy, families, they go together as a family to eat in the restaurants and spend time and eat the delicious food. This is wonderful, and I hope that this this video, excuse me, can help us to understand more about the Italian culture and their traditions. And thank you very much. And excuse me, and I apologize for my grammatical or pronunciation mistakes. Okay, and thank you very much.